today's the day. I'm about to pick a winner for the giveaway. I am nearly done with the panels. This is in no particular order for the cupcake doily. I'm not done with the stuffing and the draping and all of that. So y'all bear with me. Whoever wins, I will probably be mailing it out around the end of next week is how long I'm thinking that I'm going to need to finish it. Whoever wins, you will find my email address in the description and send me your address. And like I said, in about a week, I will be getting that out to you. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to close my eyes. Okay. And it would be Catherine Hawks. Congratulations, Catherine. Look down in the description. I will need your address. And you have a week to claim your prize. I've never not had anyone claim, so I'm sure that won't be an issue. But just in case she doesn't get back to me, then I will do another drawing next Friday. I just want to thank all of my subscribers from the bottom of my heart, and especially all of those who engage with me, you know, in the comments in the videos, or giving it a like, or actually, you know, watching them. Well, it means so much to us. But even just the subscribers who don't, you know, who lurk. I'm kind of a lurker myself. I don't engage with a whole lot, and I should do that more. But y'all make a difference too. You really do, and I appreciate all of y'all from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all for watching. We'll talk again soon. Bye.